Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change the clock on the lock screen on your Android. So let's get started. So firstly open Settings app and then scroll down until you see lock screen and AOD. It also might be in display or in the security tab. So let's go to the lock screen section. Scroll down and tap into Edit Lock Screen. And here tap on the clock. And here you can select font, color. Also here you can select the style, the thinness and boldness. So yeah, after the selecting, press Done. And the changes will apply to the lock screen. So now you know how to change the clock style on your Android device. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.